All right, welcome back. Movie remakes, hide and seek, and the greatest jokes of all time. With these topics, it's about to go down. It can only be time to go on the brink. All right, we're going to start. Norman Lear. He's a producer of such TV classics as All in the Family and The Jeffersons, right? He was recently interviewed by Variety magazine. And in it, he talks about his career from working with Carroll O'Connor, who played Archie Bunker, to his work behind the silver screen with pictures such as The Princess Bride and Fried Green Tomatoes. Now, in the piece, the Sony Pictures CEO that he's worked with has approached both of them, people have approached both of them saying they want to redo The Princess Bride. And this set off one of the actors from the film itself. Carrie Elwes tweeted in a response, "There's a shortage of perfect movies in this world. It would be a pity to damage this one. Our movie critic will need to cook in the house. Should we remake The Princess Bride?" Maybe she left. I don't know. Moving on. Now, I've never heard of this before, and I'm totally bummed out about it because this sounds like the perfect way to spend an afternoon. Police in Glasgow spent most of their day in an Ikea the other day because they were working to break up and make sure a 3,000-person hide-and-seek game didn't take place. Now, the hide-and-seekers apparently had it all planned out on Facebook like you do, and Ikea caught wind of it prior to it going down. Ikea said they can't get behind hide-and-seek games because of health and safety issues, but Ikea is totally the perfect place for hide-and-seek, right? There's so many different rooms and stuff to play around and hide in. That'll make my next walk through Ikea a little bit better. Find that perfect hide-and-seek spot. And as for the cops in Poland, the plans for the game were eventually found in an 8x10x12 box and took the police several hours to piece together. And finally, corny humor. I love it, you love it. And because I am one, it's finally making the Merriam-Webster dictionary. While all the millennials are wondering what dictionaries are, I'm celebrating the addition of the term dad joke. Merriam-Webster lists 1987 when the Gettysburg Times first published, "Don't ban the dad jokes, but we should preserve and revere them." Now, of course, dad jokes have skyrocketed in popularity the last several years, especially around Father's Day. So here's a couple of my favorites. Belinda, why couldn't the bicycle stand up by itself? It was too tired. Why do melons have weddings? Because they can't elope. And how many apples grow on a tree? All of them. I could go on. I was told a 3-joke maximum. But did you know the difference between a numerator and a denominator is only a short line? Only a fraction of people understand that. This has been On the Brink.